Good morning. I'm Peter Milios from the Finance News Network. Stocks slid for a third straight session on Thursday as investors digested the latest round of earnings and economic data. The Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped 0.84%. It was the first time the 30-stock Dow closed below the 50-day moving average since June 1, a potential warning sign of a downtrend. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 fell 0.77% and the Nasdaq Composite declined 1.17%. The 10-year US Treasury yield reached its highest point since October 2022 on Thursday. Rates are continuing to run higher after the Federal Reserve's July meeting minutes, released on Wednesday, showed the central bank remains concerned about upside risk to inflation. Jobless claims for the week ended August 12 fell from the previous period and came in slightly under the Dow Jones estimate. The Philadelphia Federal Reserve also reported an uptick in its manufacturing index in August. Walmart declined more than 2%, even after reporting an earnings and revenue beat in the fiscal second quarter. The company also raised its full-year guidance and underscored strength in grocery and online sales. On a positive note, computer networking company Cisco Systems gained more than 3% on a better-than-expected quarterly earnings report. Stocks have been suffering through a rocky August, with the major averages headed toward another losing week and in negative territory for the month. The broad market index is now down more than 4% in August. In commodity-related news, aluminium prices are expected to stay low due to weak demand in China and surplus supply. The outlook for metal consumption is dim due to reduced manufacturing in China, the US and Europe. China's recovery is sluggish after easing its COVID policy, and uncertainty surrounds its stimulus plans. Global central banks' interest rate hikes are also dampening industry activity. And gold prices hit a 5-month low due to factors including higher treasury yields, a strong dollar, and a hawkish stance on interest rates from the Federal Reserve, dampening investor confidence. And other commodities like base metals also face challenges tied to liquidity issues and concerns about the Chinese property sector's impact on local government financing vehicles. Turning to US sectors, energy was the best performer and the only one that finished in the green, closing 1.1% higher. Consumer discretionary was the worst performer. The SPY futures are pointing to a 0.4% fall. Thank you for listening.